SZT-48, omitting parts of a sequence. Sometimes a story plays a pattern. The same motion, the same trial, the same cycle. But the writer knows, if we watched each step, our eyes would drift to the clock, then to the door. So they omit. Not as trickery, but as rhythm. Like a drummer skipping a beat, leaving silence, and making the music swing. The first and last elements stay. The middle repetitions, the reader supplies. And because they supply them, they join the telling. The gap is not emptiness but doorway, through which imagination steps. How it works: show just enough for the rule to be clear. The first element sets the pattern. The last brings the change, the punch, the close. The skipped middle accelerates time and spares monotony. It is not only practical but stylistic. The rhythm of omission makes prose poetic, like blank space between verses. Variations. 48 versus A, omission for rhythm. The fairy tale of 3 trials shows the first 2 briefly, details only the last. Or, the first interrogation is full, the rest compressed into hours past. Repetition is felt, tempo lives. 48 versus B, preserving the illusion of realism. When 200 move house, the writer need not describe each. 5 suffice, the rest we infer. To narrate all would feel unreal, life itself does not linger on every repetition. 48 versus C, showing only first and last. The first establishes the law, the last shows its break or its conclusion. In between, time passes, the cycle runs, but the brush does not need to trace every stroke. 48 versus D, showing only the last. All earlier steps vanish. We see only the final, with all fatigue, lesson, and weight. Perfect for sieges, time loops, processes where the end alone matters. Writer beware, omission must not look like carelessness. The signs must be there, so readers know the cycle continued. If omission opens a logical hole, the spell breaks. In verse, every element shown in detail, slowing, weighing, intensifying realism. Yet if stakes are weak, boredom creeps. The inverse is like a diary recording every morning coffee. Why do we love it? Because it treats the reader as partner. Omission does not subtract, it involves. And when it works, the missing parts are just as alive in our heads as those printed on the page.